Good morning, children. Today is our story timing. Open your English. Next play plus book number 5, primer B, on page number 96. Page number 96. Story time. Monkeys on fast. Monkeys on fast. Yes, children. Now we are learn about the funny story. Monkeys on fast. Okay. See here. What is mean by fast, children? Do you know fast? Yes, in Marathi we call upas. Fast. Okay. Monkeys on fast. Monkey, everyone's know monkeys on fast. Okay. This is the name of this story. One day, the king of monkeys, Champak, called all the monkeys of his kingdom for a meeting. In the meeting, he told them, yes, what happened, children? There was a monkey's king. His name was Champak. His name was Champak. And what happened? He called to all monkeys. He called to all monkeys for a meeting. In the meeting, he told them, yes, he called. Can you see in this picture, children? This is the king of the monkey, Champak. And here are the all monkeys. Okay. Here, what happened? In the meeting, he told them, we all should fast tomorrow. Fasting is good for health. Yes. What he told children? Fasting. We should have fast. Fast means we can't eat one a day. We can't eat anything in one day. That is a fast. And fasting is good for health. Yes. We can't eat one day and that is a good for our health. That's why that Champak, this king, told to everyone, we have to make a fast and it is good for health. Okay. Now after that, what all are saying? Yeah. See, fast. Oh my God. What is a fast? What is a fast? All are asking to that king. What is a fast? What you are telling? What is a fast? Then after one, fasting is not eating anything from morning to evening. Yes. What he told children? Fasting means not to eat anything from morning to evening. We can't eat anything in the morning to evening one day. At least one day. Not eating anything is a difficult. Yes, one monkey said, yes, we can't eat anything. It means it is very difficult. Yes, he told to him. No, Cliff, it's easy. Another monkey said, no, it's very easy. Again one monkey said, okay. So all of us will meet here tomorrow morning at 6 to fast. Yes, and that Champak means the king of the monkey told to all monkeys, because for fasting we have to come tomorrow here, we have to gather here in the morning 6 o'clock, and after that we have to start our fasting. Okay, from tomorrow we can't eat anything whole a day. Okay. Now here all again say okay. Next morning all the monkeys gathered to fast. Just then Damu had an idea. Yes, all gathered in the morning next day. Then what Damu say? I think we should keep the food ready before we begin our fast. Yes. Damu, what's Damu say? We have to keep the food ready. After our finish our fast, we have to eat early. That's why we have to keep our food ready. Okay. Then another one said, yes, all of you get your food and keep it ready. Yes. Then another one what say? Yes, you have to keep your food. You have to take your food and keep properly in your home. After finish the our fast, we have to eat early. Okay. Then after what happened, children? Can you see in this picture? All the monkeys went into the jungle and brought lots of banana. Yes, children. All monkeys went into jungle in a forest, and what they bring? They bring so many bananas for keeping the food. Why they brought, children? They are thinking that after our fast finish, then we have to eat it quickly. Yes, because of that they are keeping their food ready. They are keep their food ready. Okay, now next what happened? Let us all share the bananas before we begin the fast. Yes, we shall be hungry in the evening. Yes, that one monkey, what he say? We have to share our bananas. Yes, and another one say, yes, we have will hang hungry. That's why we have to keep our food with us. Okay, let us do that. But remember, no one should eat them. Yes, that monkey king, what he say? Yes, everybody have to share their bananas. Keep with there, but don't eat your banana. Okay, till evening you have to make a fast. Then here in this picture, can you see? They are distributing their bananas to everyone. We won't. That monkey saying, no, no, we can't eat. We can't keep with us. We can't eat. Okay. Every monkey got its share of banana. I will peel my bananas and keep them ready. Me too, me too. Then everybody got their banana. And after that, what happened, children? They are telling, they are discussing with each other. I will peel my banana and keep them ready. And another one said, yes, yes, me too. I will do like this only. After that, I will peel mine too. All right, peel the banana, but remember, no one should eat them. Yes, again that monkey, what he said? You have to peel your banana. Peel banana means remove this cover of banana. Yes, you have to remove the cover of banana, but remember, don't eat the banana. Again he said, okay, but don't eat the banana. Then after some time, what happened, children? All the monkeys peeled their share of banana and keep them ready. Yes, I will keep a banana in my mouth. Me too, me too. Yes, children. Again, what happened? That another monkey say, I will peel my banana. I will remove the banana's cover, but I will keep in my mouth. See in this picture. And another one said, yes, me too. I will do also. I think all of us should do the same. We can't have it quickly when we break the fast. Yes, we have to keep this banana in our mouth because after finishing our fast, we can't stay. We have to eat quickly. Okay. Then after that King of monkey say, okay, do that, but remember, no one should eat them. We promise, we promise. That one, another one monkey say, yes, we promise we can't eat. But lastly, what happened, children? Seer, Bluck, Mum, Yum, all are eating the bananas. Every monkey kept a banana in its mouth. Is this possible, children? No. And after that, oops, my banana slipped into my throat. Mine too, yes. What happened? They keeping banana in their mouth. But what happened? Is this possible, children? No. That banana went in their stomach. My banana slipped too. It is difficult to keep it in the mouth for long. It is difficult. Or are laughing. Yeah, eek, drink, cluck. Yes, all are telling it is very difficult. At least, fasting is really difficult. Okay, you can all eat the banana. Fasting is difficult. Let us eat the banana. Yes, children. And after that, at least, at last, that monkey's king said, okay, fasting is very difficult. You can eat your bananas. Understood, children? This is the story of monkeys on fast. Understood?